Hi there, the Redmi Note with 5G is here. Yes, it's called 10T. It starts at 13,999 and you get a flat 1000 rupee discount if you use an HDFC card, which is quite lucrative. Now I've been using this device from a couple of days. I'll take you through the unboxing and I'll share my experience so you can decide if you should buy this or not. Okay, let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Redmi Note 10T 5G. You can see the image of the phone right here. Towards the back, a list of some of its features: MediaTek Dimensity 700, 90Hz Full HD Plus adaptive Singh dot display, 48 megapixel AI triple camera and 5000 mAh battery. We have some more details here, and this is a metallic blue, 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. Alright, let's unbox it. Inside the box is a SIM ejector pin, a quick start guide in English, a transparent cover. The quality seems really good. The phone itself, we'll check it out in just a moment. Then a standard USB-C to USB charging cable and a 22.5 watt charging adapter. Wow, even though the device supports only 18 watts, this is really good. Okay, so let's have a closer look. So the back has this metallic blue color with Redmi 5G printed at the bottom. The back has this lovely matte finish, though it does attract some smudges but not fingerprints. It's a beautiful color, I'd say. On the top is a triple camera setup with flash, the Redmi Note 10 design with a touch of chrome, really sweet. On the top is a 3.5 headphone jack with noise cancelling mic and IR blaster inside here. At the bottom is the speaker grill, USB port and the microphone. Hybrid SIM tray, so you can use dual 5G nano SIMs or one nano SIM and one SD card. Volume rocker on the other side along with the power button, which also doubles as a fingerprint scanner. In my limited time of testing, it worked really well and it was quite quick. I like that MIUI has an option of choosing the press the button to unlock or just touch the button to unlock. The touch to unlock is crazy fast. Anyway, great build, clean design. On the front is a 6.5-inch LCD display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. It has a punch hole 8 megapixel selfie camera in the center. My favorite part is 90Hz adaptive refresh rate. So you normally set it to 90 or 60 in the display settings, but with adaptive display, the refresh rate adapts as per the content you are watching. 90Hz when you're gaming or scrolling, 60Hz when you're streaming a 60 FPS video, 50Hz when static, and even 30Hz when you're watching a movie. Basically, this results in better battery life, and who doesn't like that? By the way, the device comes with a huge 5000 mAh battery and that takes under 2 hours to fully charge. It can last 2 days very easily with medium use. The Redmi Note 10T comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset. It's a tried and tested silicon and I'd say it's very battery efficient and performs pretty well. Launching apps are quick and snappy. Multitasking between apps is amazing. Opening closing multiple windows. And what's surprising is this kind of performance on a 4GB RAM variant. It comes with UFS 2.2, so faster transfer speeds and better performance. It's running Android 11 with MIUI 12 and Redmi has assured that 12.5 will be coming soon. Also briefly played Battleground India and I was able to play without any problem. I kept the graphics settings to HD and high and there was just no lag. Overall a really smooth experience. But it did get warm after a while. Not to the extent of getting uncomfortable. Pretty nice. The device also comes with Wildwine L1 certification, so you can stream full HD content from OTT apps without any problem. I'm personally not a fan of benchmarks. I always feel, do people who actually buy phone for themselves ever run these benchmarks? Maybe never. But still, here is the Antutu score. I got 3,02,000, which is really good for this chipset. The Redmi Note 10T comes with a single down-firing speaker, yet gets loud enough and sounds pretty good. I would have loved to see stereo speakers, but still, this isn't a deal breaker. Coming to the camera, so here are some shots taken with the 48 megapixel rear camera and the dynamic range and color reproduction is pretty decent. Here are some shots taken at night, clear and almost no noise. There's no ultra-wide lens on this. Instead, we have a 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. The main rear camera can also record a full HD video up to 30 FPS. Coming to the front camera, here are some samples. It does a pretty decent job, nothing bad, but nothing great either. So if you're looking for a mid-range 5G phone, this is the one to go for. It's available in 4 colors and 2 variants, 4GB of RAM and 64GB storage. It's priced at 13,999. There's also a 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage and it's priced at 15,999. You can also avail the 1000 rupee HDFC discount, but remember that discount is only valid up to 31st of July. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.